Hello, everyone. This is Nan from the OnlyOffice team. I want to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us today in this workshop. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the powerful capabilities of OnlyOffice spreadsheet editor that can simplify grading and assessment. We completely understand how much of a headache it can be when dealing with a lot of data if you're not familiar with the spreadsheet editor. Managing and analyzing large amounts of data can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to tracking student performance. This is precisely why we've designed this workshop, focusing on 4 key features that will revolutionize the way you handle data: data visualization, formulas and functions, pivot tables, and conditional formatting. Let's delve into each of these features and see how they can be your allies in streamlining your grading and assessment processes. We're here to make sure you leave this workshop with a strong grasp of how to leverage OnlyOffice Spreadsheet Editor for your grading and assessment needs. First up, we have data visualization. So this feature is all about making your data come to life. Imagine being able to create interactive and visually appealing charts that allow you to track student performance effortlessly. Whether it's monitoring trends over time or comparing student achievements, our data visualization tools will make it easier than ever before. So here's an example of how data visualization can be used to streamline grading and assessment. Imagine you're an educator tasked with assessing the final exam scores for a class. You have a data set right here that contains scores for each student. Now let's use data visualization to represent these scores for better understanding of student performance. So with OnlyOffice Spreadsheet Editor, you can easily create a chart to display the distribution of student scores. Select the data and go to the Insert tab in the menu. Choose the type of the chart you prefer, whether it's vertical or horizontal bar chart or any other types. Okay, let's choose this one. And we get this chart. After that, this chart will be added to the worksheet. You can also change the settings of the inserted chart on the right side panel right here. If your gradebook requires frequent updates, our data visualization feature ensures that your chart stays up to date. Just update the dataset, and you can see that the chart will automatically reflect the latest scores. Through this example, you can see that this allows educators to gain a clearer understanding of student performance and take timely actions to support their learning. Moving on to formula and functions. We understand that calculating grades, averages, and performance metrics can be time-consuming. But fear not. OnlyOffice Spreadsheet Editor offers a plethora of advanced functions that will automate this task, saving you valuable time and ensuring accuracy in your assessments. Here's a straightforward and practical example of how to simplify grading and assessment using formulas and functions. Imagine you're a teacher again, and you need to calculate the average scores for a course. So to insert a function, select a cell where you wish to insert a function and switch to the Formula tab and use the buttons available on the top toolbar to access a function. Here we need the average function. So in the opened insert function window, enter its name in the search box or select the necessary function group Then choose the required function from the list and click OK. Then the function arguments window will open. So we enter the necessary arguments either manually or by clicking this icon and selecting a cell or cell range to be included as an argument. And we click OK. So the function result will be displayed below. Additionally, it's worth noting that part of the calculation is displayed automatically at the bottom in the status bar if you have chosen the data range. So we can see we have average here, count here, min, max, sum, as you see. And you can also enter a function manually using the keyboard, of course. You can enter the equal sign, enter the function name, average, enter the function arguments either manually or by dragging to select the cell range. If the function requires several arguments, they must be separated by commas. You'll notice that the average scores for each student update automatically too when you input new quiz scores, like this. Additionally, you can recalculate the entire workbook or sheet by using the calculation button right here, like calculate workbook or the current sheet. This feature allows you to update all the calculations instantly, saving you the effort of manual recalculations. Now let's talk about pivot tables. These are a game changer when it comes to analyzing large data sets. So with pivot tables, you can quickly extract insights from your data, helping you identify trends, patterns, and areas that you need attention. Whether you're managing grades for a single class or an entire school, pivot tables are your key to effective data analysis. Imagine you're a teacher who needs to assess student exam scores for a course, and you've got a data set with each student's exam scores and some additional information. So let's select the data we need and go to the Insert tab. We click Pivot Table and configure your pivot table in the new window. So by expanding the left side panel, you can pick which columns should be rows and which should be columns. For instance, you can put the subject into rows and grade into columns to see how each grade performed in different exams. If you add a field to the filter section, a separate filter will be added above the pivot table, like this one I have right here. I have grade in filters. It will be applied to the entire pivot table. If you click the drop-down arrow in the added filter, you'll see the values from the selected field. Once the fields are added to the necessary sections, you can manage them to change the layout and format of the pivot table. You can click the black arrow to the right of a field within the filters, columns, rows, or value sections to access the field context menu. It allows you to do some additional adjustments. You may check the advanced settings here too. Okay, last but not least, we have conditional formatting. This feature allows you to visually highlight student achievements and areas for improvement. So by using custom rules and formatting options, you can instantly spot trends and outliers, making it easier to make data-driven decisions that benefit both your student and your institution. For quick access, or if you want to choose one of the available preset conditions, or to access all the available conditional formatting options, go to the Home tab, and we find this Conditional Formatting button. And all conditional formatting options are also available on the right side bar in the Cell Settings tab. So click the Conditional Formatting Control-down arrow to open the drop-down menu containing all the available options too. So to apply a formatting rule condition, select a cell range you need, then click the Conditional Formatting button and choose the appropriate rule from the drop-down menu. You can also create new rules or manage rules, even clear rules if you want. For instance, we can create a rule to mark scores above B in green. So let's choose value is less than B. And we can set this in green and text color in black. Okay, let's see. So this provides instant feedback for you and other educators to quickly spot outstanding student achievements. You can also create multiple rules to highlight different grade ranges or specific conditions, like making failing grades in red. So through this example, you can see that this method allows you to swiftly identify students' achievements and areas for improvement without manually checking each score. In today's fast-paced world, data-driven decision-making is crucial, especially in the field of education. Our goal for this workshop is to show you how OnlyOffice Spreadsheet Editor can be your trusted companion in this journey. Now, if you have any questions, please tell me in the comments or email us at support@onlyoffice.com. We will be glad to answer them. If you need a more detailed description of other functionalities and more pro features and modules such as documents, spreadsheets, presentations, CRM system, projects, mail and calendar, people, community, talk, we're glad to offer you our training courses. You're always welcome to send your request from our website to apply for that. And all courses are held via Zoom, and we provide a training portal where each participant can follow tutors and repeat actions demonstrated on the shared screen. During the training, you may ask questions at any time to clarify any confusing moments. And after that, we will send you the materials that can help you during the learning process and a certificate, of course. Prices for each courses depend on the number of sessions and topics delivered. You may contact us at sales@onlyoffice.com for that. Okay, now I think our workshop today is coming to its end. Thank you everyone for being here with OnlyOffice. I hope you have a better understanding of OnlyOffice Spreadsheet Editor right now and have a great day. Remember to subscribe, learn the skills we're teaching, and save your time for a cup of coffee. See you next time.